Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can log in another Instagram account on the same phone. So what you want to do is go to your profile, tap on your profile, then look for the three lines at the top right corner and click on that. So when you click on that, scroll down, you see where it says add account. So click on add account. Then you either log in to an existing account or you create a new account. So I'm going to log into an existing account. That means an account you've already created before. So you click on switch accounts, then you type in the handle. When you click on login, you'll be brought to your page. So it's that easy and simple. So if you want to switch to the other account, you hold on your profile name, then switch to the account you were using before. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again.